Thank you! Right, so rail class 156. Thank you! Railway. Thank you very much! Northern! Didn't expect to see a Northern. We're not even in the north. Look at that Northern. This day just got a whole lot better. Northern. Oh. Didn't expect to see one. It's Northern. Class 800. This is our new place. This is Newport now. The next is Cardiff. So this is Newport Station. Bye bye. We're gonna go on that platform there. Oh, TV! Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh, it's like one of those royalty trains. Oh, I never seen that.
Right, you won't go up and over, do you?
Yeah. What the heck?
Come on then.
What? Thank you. Hey! High speed! Train up speed there! There's a train up speed. Woo! What wind, God! There's a train up speed, folks. It's cool. Thank you! Hey, Chester! I want to get to... Oh!